Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. If you're asking, can you grow sweet potatoes in the UK with our climate? I've been growing them for about 3 years now and I've been a bit successful with them. So I'm going to show you how I do them. Right, all I've got is an old bottle and some toothpicks, and all I've done is prick the sides of my sweet potato so it can stay afloat in the water, because that's the first thing that you're going to do. You're going to be putting them in water to get them rooted and going. And then once you've done that, these have been growing for now, believe it or not, these are 2 weeks old. So I'm just going to bring in so you can see the root system, what you get from it. And you can see how long some of them are already. So that's how the root system is. This is a Jamaican sweet potato. When you get the sweet potatoes to grow, make sure you see the ones what's got a lot of the little nodules. They have like little nodules on the side of them, so make sure you get that one. You put this one back in, and this one's just a purple sweet potato. As you can see, this one doesn't root as much, but it's still coming along nicely. So you want to just put your sticks in the side, your cocktail stick, fill that with water, make sure you've got the right end up, which you want the end what's got the root system, or the big bit, not the pointed bit. So you've got that. So now these are ready to break off now, which is going on to my second stage. So you're going to need a jar, or you can get another old bottle if you want. Bottle, which is a plastic bottle, you can do the same process. So all we're going to be doing now, we're going to be taking this out, and you're going to want to be finding where your root is. So I'm going to try and bring the camera in a bit more so you can see it. Yeah, as you can see, this is a very long one. So what you want to be doing, you want to be going right down into here, and you want to just get your thumb, you just want to break that off. So that's what you want to be doing. And there you've got your, which is going to be your main plant. So what you want to do, you want to take off these bottom ones. So you're going to need about that many. People always say that you can eat the sweet potato leaves, but I've never tried it. Maybe later on I might give it a try and see. So you've got to be taking off your leaves so that you've got a nice system down here, and that's what you want. So you're going to be putting these back into a jar with water until they root again. So when they root, they're going to root just like this. You can see that's a nice root system what's on it. So you want to be looking for your longer ones. As you can see, I'm going to get quite a few from this. I always give them away as well. So there you have another one. Just take off the end shoots. You're going to be putting those in a jar. So that's all there is to it. Then you can leave the the other ones until they get a bit longer. You're going to just be doing the same thing. As you can see with this one, you can see that it's starting to root a little bit already. So I'm just going to still pick off that leaf because it's going to go in the water. So that's all you want to do. Leave a few of the leaves on the top and into your jar. I'm going to be filling that with water soon. So there you can see it again. I'm just going to be putting that in your jar just to get the roots. So that's how I do my ones. The rest, as you can see, they need growing a bit longer. So they need growing a bit longer. And that's the sweet potato leaves. I'm not going to try these yet, because I don't know much about how they cook or whatever, but I'm going to maybe give it a try later on down the season. Right, this is a different sweet potato. You might get somewhat grow inside the water. So this one, you can see this one's got the root system on it already. So this one, you can pick that one off. So that's the only one. You'll get somewhat grow down in the water as well, so don't worry about those ones. They'll come up over. So as you can see, there's quite a few plants on that, and there's still a few plants on that. I'm going to change the water on this. So these are very hungry plants. So when you're growing the slips, you'll most probably come out in the morning and see that this is just gone down by halfway, depending on how big the plants are on the top. So as you can see, that one's already got a root system on it. So this one, I'm just going to still put this in a thing because I want to show you the rest of progress. So you're just picking off the lower leaves, so you've got a little bit of stem, so you can see the root system. So that's a plant ready, but it's too early to go out. So I'll just put that in my jar as well. So as you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 5 slips already. So some of these I'll end up giving away because there's quite a lot this time. I think this has been going for about, I think it's about 2.5 weeks of growth, this. So if you put them on, I've got mine on a windowsill, so if you keep them warm, they prefer that, because you know they're a warm weather plant. Just going to pick off another one here. So you can see there. There. So that's all you're going to need to be doing, and these ain't going to take that long to get a root system on them. So I'll give mine a good start, because once I get the root system on them, this is going to go on the windowsill. Once I get the root system on them, then I pot them, and they're going to go out the end of May. So that's how long you've got. So once you've got the root system, we're going to pot them up, and then once we pot them up, then we're going to be getting them ready to come outside, which is the end of May. So I hope you will enjoy this one. If you want to get your slips going now, you can get them going now. It's not too late, because you've got until the end of May. If you put them in a very warm place, they would come on fast, because like I say, this is about 2.5 weeks since I've done this one, so you can see how many's on them. So as long as you've got them in the on a windowsill or somewhere where you're going to generate a lot of heat for now. So thanks for watching, and I hope you all enjoy this one. This is can you grow sweet potatoes in the UK? Yes, you can. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one, where we'll be doing the further progress on these.